Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 7 years of update support and how to check for pixel drops on your Google Pixel 11. So, Pixel 8 and newer phones receive the 7-year updates, and they basically also get the security updates. And it started from the Pixel 8. So Pixel 11 is covered for the next 7 years. You can expect Android version updates, security updates, bug fixes, and new Pixel features through Pixel drops. Also, you get other software improvements, but that's just something on the side. Now, if you want to check for the updates, what you guys want to do is go to settings. In the settings, you will be on this page right here. So you can scroll down and go to system. Once you are in the system, tap on software updates and now click on system update. Here it will automatically check. Here you can also check your Android version. So my Android version is 17 and my Android security update is from 5th of August 2026. And today, at the time of the recording, it's 22nd of August. So I'm on the latest security update. And now let's talk about the Pixel drops. So Pixel drops are basically Google's periodic feature updates for Pixel devices. So they can add new features or improve the existing ones alongside the normal Android and security updates. So there's no app that you need to manually install, and it's definitely not called a Pixel drop, because when one Pixel drop is available for your device, then you can simply go to the software updates and check it for yourself. So you can check there and install anything that's offered to you. Make sure that you understand that those Pixel updates are rolled out gradually, so another Pixel 11 may receive an update before yours. So Google basically says that availability can depend on the device and carrier, and an update can take several weeks to reach every device. So to check it, also make sure to check for software updates from time to time. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.